My mom evicted the backhoe from her house. She didn't want to look at it anymore. She had enough of the backhoe. So now the backhoe resides at my house, which is a sore subject because my wife doesn't want to see the backhoe either. So my dad always made it a point to just find a hole to dig. No matter what, planting a tree for her or just going in the backyard, digging a hole to just do something. Found more holes to dig. My mom found more eye rolls. They lived in harmony with this backhoe for a number of years. But the backhoe, which was a Ford 830A from about the early 1980s, 3-cylinder diesel, started to get tired. So now he took on projects of fixing the backhoe. And so this was one of his projects, and it's the power takeoff mechanism. So inside of here is this little hydraulic valve. And he made a project out of this hydraulic valve for about 3 months. And he took it out, he hard chromed the valve body that's inside. He went all out to rebuild the mechanism in here. So what's really cool about this part is that it's 3 diameters and a taper, which is really ideal for the 12x4 Hayek CNC dressing machine. And that machine with the CNC dressing discs can do both diameters and then also dress in that angle really nicely. And it goes up to a shoulder, but we're not kissing the shoulder because it has an undercut in it. So this part is going to be loaded on the machine by a pick and place loader. So basically the part comes out of a nest, goes in the machine. When it's done grinding, it's going to come back out with the second jaw of the pick and place and into a gauging station. So anybody that knows the world of hydraulic valves, that's an ideal scenario for it. You're not digging the part, carefully placing the part into its final receptacle with gauging, with feedback to the machine. So the machine is smart enough to take the feedback of the part and gauge it, comp the machine if necessary, but also create trend data. So that trend data can get fed back to your UPC-OP server or anything that you have in-house that you want to track this data. And you can come up with different algorithms and such if you want to take care of your dress frequencies, your finish requirements, anything that is important to you on the part, the machine can track. Different reasons to look at this machine basically boils down to a couple different factors. Ease of use, but also the world of CNC dressing. So there's certain forms, as you know, that require CNC dressing. When you want to grind up to the shoulder, when you have a steep taper like that, it lends itself perfectly to this kind of machine. But in addition, the 9 nanometer scales on the RAM or your diameter control axes really provides perfect accuracy because you can comp in 10 millionths of an inch. So when you do the math on that, it works out to be a really accurate 10 millionths comp with 9 nanometer resolution on your Heidenhain glass scale. So the machine is highly accurate for your more demanding parts, such as your hydraulic valves or your aerospace components.